A super Saturday with English. Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting topic to talk about. We are going to focus on one special day of the week, Saturday. Let's dive in and explore the word, Saturday, in detail. Saturday is the sixth day of the week according to the international standard ISO 8601. However, in cultures where the week starts on Sunday, Saturday is considered the seventh day of the week. The word, Saturday, has its origins in Old English. It is named after the Roman god Saturn, and the word itself means Saturn's day. Saturday can be used in many ways when forming sentences. Let's go through a few examples. I usually go shopping on Saturday. Do you work on Saturday? We're having a party next Saturday. Saturday is my favorite day of the week. Remember, when we write the days of the week, we always start with a capital letter. So, it's Saturday, not Saturday. There are many idioms and phrases involving the days of the week, including Saturday. Here are a few examples. Saturday night fever. This phrase often refers to the excitement or energy associated with Saturday night, typically involving social activities like dancing or partying. Working for the weekend. This phrase means that someone is working hard throughout the week, just looking forward to the relaxation or fun activities planned for Saturday and Sunday. And that's a wrap on our discussion about Saturday. We hope you've learned more about how to use this word in your everyday conversation. Remember, practice is key to becoming fluent in any language. Try using Saturday in your own sentences today. We'll see you in our next lesson. Until then, happy learning.